Grazie. La parola all'onorevole Tremosa per un minuto.
Moltes gràcies, senyora President. Dear colleagues, dear sirs, the President of the European Central Bank will become automatically for the next 5 years the President of the European Systemic Risk Board. This is not a minor issue. It visualizes that the ECB is really implicated in the financial supervision of the European financial markets and institutions. And it also means that Mr. Trichet, who is also accountable in his hearings in this Parliament, will have to answer also questions related to financial supervision, not only questions related on price stability. With this reform, the President of the ECB will risk his reputation and his credibility in achieving an effective financial stability in Europe. Thanks to this reform, doing business as usual will be more difficult for the financial institutions that have generated this crisis, and it shall benefit future generations of European citizens. Moltes gràcies.
Grazie. La parola all'onorevole Lulling per 1 minuto e 30.
Merci Madame la Présidente. Je voudrais ajouter ma voix à celle qui se félicite du compromis obtenu par le Parlement européen en matière de supervision financière. C'est un résultat très satisfaisant, non pas parce que cette Assemblée a tenu tête aux représentants des